Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience using this tool. Today we're taking a look at NerdWallet's retirement calculator, found at https://www.nerdwallet.com/retirement/calculator. This handy online tool can help you project how much you'll need to save for a comfortable retirement. It considers various factors to give you a personalized estimate, taking the guesswork out of planning for your golden years. The calculator utilizes information you provide, such as your current age, planned retirement age, current annual income, and estimated Social Security benefits, to paint a clearer picture of your future financial needs. It allows you to adjust these inputs to see how different scenarios impact your savings goals. This interactive element makes it easy to experiment with different savings rates and retirement ages, providing valuable insights into how to reach your desired retirement lifestyle. Beyond basic calculations, the NerdWallet tool offers added features for more detailed planning. For example, you can account for inflation, investment growth rates, and even desired income during retirement. These adjustable parameters allow you to tailor the projection to your specific circumstances and expectations. Whether you're just beginning to think about retirement or are already nearing that milestone, the retirement calculator from NerdWallet can be a valuable resource. It empowers you to explore various options, adjust your strategy as needed, and gain confidence in your retirement plan. By offering a personalized and interactive experience, this free tool helps you take control of your financial future and plan for a secure and fulfilling retirement. It's a great starting point for anyone seeking a clearer understanding of their retirement savings needs. So, head over to the NerdWallet website and start exploring the retirement calculator today. Don't hesitate to experiment with the various inputs and see how different factors can impact your results. Remember, planning for retirement is a journey, and tools like this can help guide you along the way.